Hello and a warm welcome to my YouTube channel where I share my on technical analysis, my views on stocks and indexes for educational purposes. In this video, I'm going to share my interpretation on Jindal Steel, the flagship company of Naveen Jindal. Now, Jindal Steel is a leading steel producer with strong presence also in mining and power sector. It has a wide range of products and presence across the globe. Now let's see what it looks like on the charts at this current juncture. Now let's start with the monthly. In the monthly, after a very good run that we can see from here, from the COVID lows till May 2021, that was a very strong run up. And then it went sideways completely from May 2021 till now Feb. It's on a complete sideways from slanting, making lower lows and lower highs out here. And it has activated an Ichimoku bearish C-clamp setup, which suggests that the stock could continue to further be on a decline side for a couple of more months right now. So the upside looks capped as per that setup in the as per the monthly setup out here. Now let's have a look at what the weekly is doing. Today's fall in the weekly is a big fall today. It's the first day of the week. It's a 6.5% fall today. Has come down now to a support. As per Ichimoku, that's a weekly baseline and cloud support out here. So that's where probably some relief could come in between 395 to 400 is that zone out here. Now let's see what the stock is doing in the daily time frame. So in the daily, this decline which took place from the Friday high, on Friday only there was some sell-off that made a doji candle out there, was made on a bearish harmonic pattern, Gartley pattern, which saw this sharp reversal happening in the stock out there. And we can also see that it was very close to the upper trend line of this slanting channel, which is high, low, lower low, lower high, lower low, again and again a lower high out here. So all these suggesting that the stock is under some kind of selling pressure in this zone. So the bearish harmonic reversal has also taken place, which has come down and done the minimum target, which is expected out of it of 400 or 400 to 395 odd. However, keeping in mind the monthly setup and the weekly setup, the structure is with a gap down today. This does not look like a one-off scene of the stock falling and then doing a major reversal out here. This looks now stock which could further go down to break quite a bit once the 395 to 400 level is broken. We could see some bounce back happening now. Now the bounce back could go all the way to try to cover this gap which happened today. The gap down is at 433 to 429. So it will try to, if it tries to hold on to this level of 395 to 400, it will try to do a gap covering. Now let's have a look at what the NSE data is telling us on the stock today. This is the NSE website where we can look at the open interest of the calls and puts of Jindal Steel. As we can see out here, 405 close today. Now out here, we can see that the open interest on the put side is now at 418. Now it was a massive 760 odd till Friday. This is a huge unwinding which took place today. So that, sorry, short covering by the put writers took place today out here. And also at the same time, we can see a lot of fresh shorting happening on the call side. Massive call OI written all over this place, and good strong addition happening out here also today in the stocks. Even the data, option data, suggesting that the stock will witness selling pressure, long unwinding if any bounce comes, or on the break of this 395 400 level, because there is not too much of support on the downside that easily out here. Now let's go back to the chart. Now, like I said, the break of this level or On a rise till this level, it could witness uh, unwinding of longs or fresh shorting out here of breakdown from here. Now, where could that stock go down to if that happens? In that case, 380 to a level of 340 is very much possible if this breakdown happens below this 380 level. And we can see the same thing on the weekly time frame also, that if this level were to break down out here, then we could witness a decline till 380 odd, and then the level of 340, which is close to this low out here if this were to happen. So all in all, structure of the stock, in spite of this decline which started in the month of May 2021, and we are in Feb now, does not seem to be complete. The bearish structure is still very much on in this case, and unless the stock goes on to break above the trend line out here, uh, which is somewhere at 450, it's not a stock which would be on a bullish side of smart money for some time to come. Uh, Please do not consider this as a trading advice. Please do your research thoroughly before coming to a conclusion on this stock or in any other stock also. You should always have your research done properly. And I hope this video is helpful. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Till then, bye bye and take care, everyone.